Hello guys, today is day 14 of our series Learn French in 100 Days. Today we are going to learn about verb avoir. Its meaning is to have. In the previous video we have learnt about verb être. I have already told you that être and avoir are two important auxiliary verbs in French language and are the basis of French grammar. Now let's start. I have, je. Actually, I means je and have means am. This word ends with a vowel and it starts with a vowel. So, in place of first vowel, I have put apostrophe and it becomes je. I have je. You have. You means tu. Have means add. To add. You have to add. He has. He means il. Has means a. Illa. She has. She means l. Has means a. Ella. We have. We means on. Have means a. Ona. See. He has, she has, we have. Illa, ella, ona. All these three ends with the a. Now we have. We means nous. Have means avons. Here this consonant is conjugated with this vowel and it becomes nous avons. Now we have two we have. We have and this we have. Actually, this we have is used by native speakers. When they speak fluently, they use ona for we have. We can use any one out of these two. They have, masculine they have. They, il, have, on. It gets conjugated with it and it becomes ils ont. Ils ont, masculine ils ont. They have, feminine they have, elles ont. It gets conjugated with it and becomes elles ont. You have, formal you have. When you speak formally, then we use vous avez. You means vous, have means avez. And it gets conjugated and become vous avez. Now repeat with me. I have je. You have tu es. He has illa. She has ella. We have ona. We have nous avons. They have masculine. They have ils ont. They have feminine they have, elles ont. You have, formal you have, vous avez. Now let's have some examples. I have an apple. I have an apple. I means je, have means a. Here I fill it with a. And on, apple, pomme. Je un pomme. Now he has 10 oranges. He has 10 oranges. He means il, has means a. Il a 10 this oranges oranges. il a des horns. Next, we have 5 mangoes. We have 5 mangoes. We have on a 5 monk. We can use nous avons. We can also use nous avons 5 monks. Nous avons 5 monks. Merci.